What's going on, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters? The ones that wake up in the morning, look in the mirror, say I'm gonna get money today. It's Matthew Vick, and we're heading on out. And it's a cold one out here in Cali today. And guess what? I got my neighbor working with me today. So I'm gonna break him in, so stay tuned for that. So I'm here with my neighbor right now. Are you ready to get broken in or what?
Hey, all day, man. Here we go. Get the job started. See how it goes.
What's your name?
Julio.
Where do you work at?
Memorial Hospital.
You ready to get dirty today?
Hey, it's a lot different than my job, but hard work pays off, you know? Here we go.
I'm about to torture him today, so let's see what happens. We're waiting on the customer to remove his truck and trailer, and we're about to show you guys the job, so stay tuned for that. Now, when it comes to hiring new employees, this is what you guys want to do. This is what my dad taught me. Let's see how fast you can walk. Go ahead. That looks like an $8 an hour walk, dude. If you can walk faster, it might be $10 an hour. So leave a comment down below how fast that walk was. If you want to make 20, you better go faster than that, dude.
You gotta jog it up.
Yeah, you better hurry up. That's about 20 right there. So that's how you guys do it. If you want to know how much you want to pay your employees of the day, see how fast they walk. He was walking $8 earlier. Now, how we got this job? We got this job from a realtor. I'm gonna lace my neighbor up real quick. Hey, you gotta wear that hat forward, dude. You can't look all ghetto over here.
Sorry. You know?
I know we from the Bay Area, but come on now. So we're waiting on the customer to swing back around. We're gonna load this all up. That's on his trailer. Hey, I love it when people have stuff on their trailer and they want us to take it.
Makes more, huh?
It makes easy money, bro. Easy money. So yeah, we're just waiting on him. There's a whole shitload of trash over there, huh? So we're at the job, and the first things that go are all these things on the trailer, and then there's some stuff in the backyard, so we're gonna load all this up first right here. So what are you thinking?
Oh man, a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. We're gonna do one full load. There's a bunch of loads here, and yeah, we're about to get to it. Look at all this. This is just the front yard, and none of this is going. So yeah, look fun or what?
Yeah, I like it.
You say that now. We'll see at the end of the day how you feel.
Hey, a workout. I'm gonna go to the gym for this.
Hell nah. So I seen Julio eyeballing that thing.
I don't know. I was thinking about maybe this one right here, you know? Fixing it up a little bit. Paint spraying it.
So yeah, we're done with the first load today. Julio found a couple things I think he might bring home. So what'd you learn today so far?
I learned today not to be walking around. You gotta fucking run if you gotta get paid. Cause if you walk, the $8, I don't know what to say about that. I'd rather make 20 though. If I'm running and sprinting, forget the walking.
Yeah, they're making it happen to get it. So we're pulling up to the next job, and it's for a repeat customer. And Julio's over here eyeballing jobs. We're driving by. He's seeing trash at people's houses. He's like, there's a job right there. He's on a hustle right now, so.
Hey, you know, I saw things. I'm like, damn. Yeah, when I saw that, I was like, hey, man, look, I think you got another job right there. They should hit you up about that.
So we're pulling up here. It's a repeat customer, some cardboard, and it's going to be an easy, fast job. Like I always say, it's going to be easy money, baby. You ready? Let's do this. So we're at job number 2, and it's a big one. What do you think, Julio? Here's the job. Some cardboard, baby. Easy. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So how was job number 2? How long did that take?
Hey, man, what? 5-10 minutes the most, in and out. That's it.
I take longer shits than that. So we're heading to the next one right now. And it's in Sebastopol. It's supposed to be a little pile too. So yeah, I'm breaking him in. He's loving it already.
Hey, slowly but surely. It's fun, you know? Can't complain.
He's gonna bring some stuff home. His wife's gonna be pissed at him. He'll be trying to move in my house soon. So yeah, let's see what happens. So Julio, what do you think? You think we got the job or no?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah. Your customer service, I believe it.
We didn't get it, dude.
Huh?
No, we got it. It's easy too. Let me show you guys the pile real quick. It's right here. So just like that, job is complete. You ready for some coffee or what?
Yeah, let's get it.
How am I looking right now? What do you think?
Hey, you should keep it, man, you know?
I think so. Just kind of GQ looking, huh? For real. Straight pimping, boy. So we're getting coffee, and then we'll be heading to the landfill. And what's your prediction of the dump fee? I know you have no idea at all how much it's going to cost to dump, but it's $130 a ton. If you ever sold drugs in your life, you might get kind of close. So what do you think?
Shit.
I'm going to say $70. So that'll give you a little...
I say 65.
65. There you go. $65, you said. So subscribers, what do you think? The JoJo rocks these right here, and I found these, and Julio's like, she ain't gonna want to wear those, but they're BBs from like the 90s. What do you think? Leave a comment down below if you think the JoJo will like those. So it's El Luncho. We got a, what is this, a honey cinnamon sugar bun?
I think so, yeah, that's what she was saying. Tastes like some churros, though.
It does, huh? Off the hook. Waiting on our coffee now. Right on, thank you. So guess who won?
You?
Check it out, dude. I'll give you that one. You got lucky.
42?
$42.
Damn.
And we're going back to the first job of the day because we upselled and he wants to do another load.
Oh, there you go.
You ready or what?
Go back and deal with the crazy chaos over there he has.
So we back for round number 2. You ready or what?
Got round 2. Here we go. Gotta knock it out, you know?
What's going on, buddy? What's up? He is pretty cool looking, huh?
Yeah, he does, the eyes.
So what's all going?
Glass, you know, glass, doors.
All this stuff right here is going.
Yeah.
Some pallets over there is going.
Take this motorcycle too. No, I'm just
Oh, you do got a little gut, dude. I seen that.
Yeah, I do. Telling you.
Tightened up, dude.
I'm telling you, bro. You know?
Yeah. So we had to switch sides and now we're hitting it from the back. What? It's too far to the front yard, dude. So we're over here doing this way. Oh, you got a dirty mind, dude. Wow. I'm gonna tell your wife.
Oh, man, you know?
So we're almost done. We're about halfway done, and Julio ain't no joke. So leave a comment down below if you want to see more of the Julio.
Just gotta get it, man, you know? I like to work.
That's how he works the first day. See how he does on the second day. He might slack off and get that $8 an hour pay.
Hey, you think this too? Probably go on.
You want to resell that or what?
Might as well.
Look at that, 2,000 pounds. The newbie got it, 131. How does it feel to win, bro? Twice in a row.
I don't know. I just take a guess and, you know, kind of guessing what we had. So I just said 125 to 120.
Wow, man. Get the fuck out of the car, dude. 131. Damn. Professional.
Hey, just try to be.
Look at this line, bro. Holy shit. So we're done with load number 4, and I think you got the job.
I hope so. I mean, if
Maybe,
you agree, if you agree with it, I agree with it. So I mean, does everybody else agree with it?
I don't know.
We gotta get some views on it to have them agree with it first.
Well, first thing, you gotta be able to pass one thing. Can you pass the piss test?
Most definitely. Since marijuana became legal in California, I definitely can. If that's all I gotta pass, I can pass that pee test.
So leave a comment down below with the Mexican emoji if you want to see more of the Julio.
And 2 thumbs up.
And if you don't want to see him ever again,
2 thumbs down. And a sad emoji. Yeah, because I want to come back and do some more with you guys so you guys can, see more videos of us having fun and just, having a good time, but hard working at the same time.
and plus he has like 15 kids to feed too, and 5 baby mamas. That's a lot of child support money.
It ain't cheap.
It's not cheap, so yeah. So yeah, leave a comment down below and let us know if you want to see more of the Julio. Get more dough. Look what we eating on right now.
That looks fire.
It's lunchtime, baby. Check it out. And we got some cornbread and butter and honey. Let me tell you, Red Bees is off the hook. If you live in Santa Rosa, California, or Windsor, or Hillsburg, or Sonoma County, check out Red Bees. Look at that. 13 bucks.
Worth it.
Is it worth it?
Worth it.
Hell yeah. So we done for the day. And how was that?
Hey, good experience. Want to do it again? A lot of fun. And, it's better than actually working a regular job because you can kind of just have fun at what you're doing and act your normal self instead of trying to hide who you are. I had a lot of fun today.
Right on. And you made some good money. And hopefully the wifey don't beat your ass later on either.
Hey, no. Once I give her the food, she's definitely going to she's going to be happy about that.
Now let's talk trash with Matt and JoJo Lena.
Well, we're going to talk about employees. It's important to get employees. And if you're just starting your junk removal business, you're probably asking yourself, how do I find good helpers?
Well, one way you can find good helpers is put an ad on Facebook or Craigslist, or you might know some youngsters in your area that can give you a helping hand.
Yep. And one thing you want to make sure is you want to make sure they're a good fit. So you might actually just have to try them out once or twice to see. You want somebody that you're going to be able to roll with, and your personalities are just going to be able to mesh. Because if you're going to have somebody sitting beside you all day long, you're going to want to make sure you get along.
And make sure there's some go-getters, some hard workers, and they're on time. And once you find a good one, keep them and take care of them.
That's absolutely correct. And another thing you want to do is you want to keep work and friendship separate.
Yeah, business is business, friendship is friendship. So if you hire someone you know, just remember when you hop in that truck, business is business, and take care of business.
Yep, absolutely. And also there's different ways that you can pay your helpers.
So say you're starting out and you don't have them on payroll, you can always pay them cash. The bad thing about that is you can't really write that off, but if you put someone on payroll, you can write it off. So actually paying cash starting off ain't a bad thing because you get a lot of cash jobs, so it kind of evens out.
Yep, I agree 100%. Great advice. Also, a lot of people want to know, how do you pay? Do you pay hourly or for the day or per job? There's lots of different ways you can pay your employees.
So how we pay is hourly. It's all up to you. You might have a day where you just need help for an hour. You might want to just pay them per job. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. We do it hourly here.
Yeah. And with junk removal, oftentimes there'll be lots of jobs that you can just do yourself, which saves you lots of money. But, every once in a while, you just might need that extra hand, and you might just need to find yourself an employee.
So something you definitely want to do is get about 5 to 10 people on speed dial that you can call up anytime to help you out when you need them. Especially when you're starting your business.
Yeah, and that's great advice because if one person's not available, you have another number and you have just fallback numbers just in case maybe an emergency comes in and somebody has a huge junk removal job and you really need to get it done. You want to look through your phone and have some choices of people to call.
And then oh yeah, he works hard, I'm gonna call him up. He's a slacker, but he'll be there. So you'll know. So yeah, be picky and choosy of who you hire and who you keep on the team. And when you find that good one, make sure you take care of them.
So leave a comment below and let us know, how do you find your employees? And do you pay yours hourly or daily? And we're really curious as to how you handle your employees.
And hit that like and subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. And until next time, keep hauling and balling.